Hello, my name is Isi. I'm working for Environ Property Service for 4 years ago. My job is in the team of restorations. My day-to-day job is pointing, filtered bricks, painting, restoration the old buildings. My favorite thing working here in this company is because all the people in this company it takes so seriously the job, the care of the customers and the properties. She looks so really professional all the time. If me, I have a dinner for 3 people. I want to be like Merchant Miralles, David Armendáriz, and Bruce Wayne.